Hello everyone, and welcome to today's lesson on Grade 7 Social Science, Geography, Natural Disasters. For today's lesson, I need you to pair up with a friend, and I need you to grab your devices. Let's sign into Google Classroom, and let's go right into the lesson, because as you can see, it's upcoming on Monday. As we go into the lesson, I would like to read the instructions with you, and then we will go through each of the different topics and assignments. After that, I'll allow you to have a chance to work through them by yourself. Number 1, go through the Google Earth project. Take a journey around the world. For this project, we're going to open up the Google Earth app, and you and your partner are going to explore some of the various locations around the world where famous earthquakes and volcanoes have taken place. After that, I want you and your partner to discuss the presentation on volcanoes and also the presentation on earthquakes. Thereafter, you can open the School AI link. This is an AI chatbot that allows you to ask any questions that you might have on the topic at hand. I would also like for you to record your responses to the Google document attached. Thereafter, you and your partner are going to try and complete the Google form. You must achieve a minimum of 18 out of 20 to pass this test. This is an open book test, and you may use any of the resources provided to you to help answer the questions. And then finally, I need you to play the Kahoot game on natural disasters. Alright, let's start by clicking on the Google Earth link. Here, we've got Google Earth open in front of us. Use your finger or mouse to click on the page to explore. On the left-hand side of the page, we can see the table of contents. I can open it or close it. There are 35 locations that I would like for you to explore today. We're going to start with the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, this yellow line down the middle of the page. On the right-hand side of the screen, we can see the information box. You're able to click on the page and scroll down. Please take your time to read through each one of these information boxes as carefully as possible. You're also able to click on each of the pictures. Some of them will have a number of images attached. On the right-hand side, you are able to scroll to the right or to the left. In order to go from one location to the next, in the bottom left-hand corner, there is an arrow pointing to the right. If you tap on that, it's going to take us to location number 2, the Pacific Ring of Fire. Once again, take your time, explore each of the locations, read through the information box on the right-hand side. In order to zoom in, use your fingers to pinch or the mouse to scroll in and out. Location number 3. Here we have Mount Vesuvius, the volcano that froze Pompeii in time. You're also able to use 2 fingers in order to view each of the places. You're able to zoom in and out, as well as change the angle of view. And here we can see the city of Pompeii. If I scroll down, I can see on the right-hand side there is a video link. If I tap on that, the video will open and I'm able to push play and watch the video. This video shows us the impact that the volcano had on the ancient city of Pompeii. Once you've finished watching it, let's go back to Google Earth and then progress on to the next location. Here we can see a video all about what a pyroclastic flow might be. So once again, click on that link and you can watch the video in your own time. Now that we have finished going over the Google Earth project, you and your partner are able to go to the Google Slides, volcanoes and earthquakes. If we tap on that link, you are able to see the presentation here. Take your time once again, reading over each of the points, studying the images, and you might also notice at the bottom there is a thought-provoking question that you and your partner can discuss. Moving over to earthquakes, very similar. Take your time to read through each one. And finally, now that we've learnt about earthquakes, tsunamis and volcanoes, I would also like for you to click on the School AI app. that looks like this. You're required to input your name and then click on the Join button. So this is an AI chatbot. It allows you to ask any questions you might have about the topic. For example, how fast does a Lahar travel? Once I push enter, the AI chatbot will provide a response for me. From here, I would like for you to copy your question and open up the Google document that has been attached. Here, you are able to paste your question, go back, and I also would like for you to copy the answer. This is a good way to keep track of all the questions that you might have asked previously. At the moment, we can see I've asked how fast can tsunamis travel across the ocean, what was the largest earthquake to ever occur, as well as the different responses that the app has given me. Now that we know a lot more about earthquakes, tsunamis, and volcanoes, I would like for you to answer the Google form attached. Click on that, and we will be taken to the form itself. All you need to do here is click on the answer. This takes the form of a multiple choice style question. So once you have answered every single one of the questions and recorded your name, you are going to hit the submit button. Remember, in this test, you have to receive 18 out of 20 in order to pass. At the moment, I'm unable to see what I received for that test. So we can go back to Google Class, and we are going to click here on the Google Sheets attachment. This will open up. Here we can see I've completed the test twice. The first time I received 11 out of 20. The second time I received 8 out of 20 for the test. I will need to keep on repeating this test until I pass it. Don't forget, you are more than welcome to go back to each of the attachments that I've included here to try and pass this test. Once you have passed the test, the final instruction is to please go to the Kahoot game, which looks like this, enter your name and click join. This Kahoot game will also take the form of a multiple choice style question. The faster you answer, the more points you get. Next question. Answer streak, 2 points. There we go. Next question. So I'm not going to complete the entire quiz. There are 20 questions in total here. Once you have completed this, I'm more than sure that you will be on top of the topic of natural disasters, volcanoes, earthquakes, and tsunamis. Thank you very much, and good luck.